how to design exe file, and second topic, how we can transfer our vi into the internet. Okay, so now we will learn about the exe file. So let's start. Right, okay, open your vi and create projects. When you will create projects, so now, okay, when you will create project, so you will get this project explorer window, and I know all of you are very much aware how to open and create the project explorer window. So now try to save this one. So it is a very important method, so try to save. Inside summer I want to try to save here for me. Okay, day 16 is okay. Inside day 15 I am going to create one project, and project name is application project. Sorry, folder name is application. Project name is application. Okay. Okay. Inside the okay, now inside that application projects I am going to save my this projects, and name of this project is new project. New projects. Okay. Inside the application, so now if you will click in the folder, if you will click in the folder, sorry, file, so you will get in, okay, d summer content day 15 application new project dot lb proj. Now come into the item, right click here, come into the new vi, take a vi. In this vi, okay, we will create in this vi, okay, we will create one table, okay, for, between the range. Think, okay, till today you know, you had learned how can we design table, and whenever we will think to design table, so either we design table for the two, for the any single number like 2 3 4, or we design for the 0 to 10 11 to 20. But now we will write a code to design table between the range of, now we will design the table between the range of, okay, so now uh, start number, okay, and in the number, okay, in number, in number, okay. So now if here I will insert the 3, if here I will insert the 3, okay, sorry 4, or and here I will insert the 16. So 4 to 16 there are 13, 4 to 16 there are 13 numbers. Let's try to subtract. Okay, you will subtract 4 to, so because we will start from the 4 and 16, so for that subtract this one and use increment. After that right click, come to the, take an increment button, connect. Now take a multiplier, create constant, pen, control B, right click now, right click, create transpose to the array function, create the, okay, transpose to the array function. So now our program has ready to execute. First we need to check our input outputs. So by using this program, we will design. By using this program, we will design. We can generate a code between these two numbers. Okay. So the table with the range. Okay. So there is one problem in this code which I need to rectify. Control B, sorry, Control Z, Control B, Control Z. End will be up, start will down. Now connect. We will connect start with this. Let's check. So by using this code, we can generate table between any two numbers. By using this code, we can generate table between any two numbers. Okay, so when now try to save this program. So for the press the save button. Okay, if you will try to press the save button, so you will direct, it will redirect you same location where you had created the app projects. So the TA table with the range with the two number. This is my VI name. Okay, so when you will save your VI, after that come to your front panel, and try to fix all these things like this. Start range, right click in the vertical, off. Okay, now again click the save button. If you are done, so if you are done, so now right click in the build specification. Right click in the build specification. If you are done, then right click in the build specification. So now right click, come to the new and click in the application.exe. Application.exe. If you will click in the application.exe, then you will able to access this my application properties. So here information my application. Yes, if you want to write then my application or table, whatever you want, you can change the name. Okay, so destination directories by default day 15 built new product. Okay, now no problem. After that, come into the source. After the, okay, below of the information you will get the source. Click on the source, click the your vi, okay, project file. Inside the project file you will get this single vi. You need at least one vi to create exe. Okay, you need at least one vi to create exe and start. You need at least one vi to create and start. Now click in the startup vi. Now click in the startup vi. Click in the startup vi. Now destination, check once the destination is clear. Okay, preview. If you will click the preview, so you will get these 3 to 4 application.lis, confirm, initialization and .exe file. You will get all this. Okay, now try to build. If you will try to build, so you will not get any kind of error. Okay, if your program is clear, if everything is set, so you will not find any kind of error, or your build specification will not generate any kind of error. So now done. Close this one. Okay, go to that platform where you had, so inside the day 15 I'm okay, this is a build. In this build, new project is present, table is present. Inside the table, application.exe is present. So double click, okay, and try to run your exe. Run to the administration because it is exe file. Now here it's open. Okay, you will not find any kind of the block diagram because it is independent individual program, because it is independent individual exe file. You can now you can share this folder to anybody. You can share this folder anywhere, okay, with anybody, and you can run this program. Okay, so now stop 14, okay, to 21. So it will generate for the 14 to 21. Okay, you can increase and you can drag the size.